Are you planning to buy your first home and feeling overwhelmed? Welcome to First Home Smart Move, your compass guiding you through the maze of becoming a homeowner. This video is crafted to help you understand the key steps in making your dream home a reality. We'll start by setting a realistic budget, a crucial first step often overlooked. Delving deeper, we'll explore the array of mortgage options available and guide you on choosing the one that suits you best. Finding the perfect neighborhood is equally important as the house itself, and we'll show you how to pick the right one. Once you've found your potential home, we'll walk you through conducting thorough property inspections to avoid any unpleasant surprises down the line. We'll also discuss the significance of credit scores and the nuances of the closing process, ensuring you're well prepared for every stage of the home buying journey. Lastly, we'll talk about the delicate art of balancing your desires with practical needs. Embark on this exciting journey with us as we turn the key to your new beginning. First things first, setting a realistic budget is crucial. This is the foundation upon which your house hunting journey is built. It's not just about the asking price of the house. You have to consider other factors like maintenance costs, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and even potential renovation costs. Start by examining your income, savings, and monthly expenses. Deduct your expenses from your income to understand how much you can comfortably afford for a monthly mortgage payment. Remember to keep some buffer for unexpected costs. Next, factor in those hidden costs we just mentioned. A rule of thumb is to add about 20% to the asking price of the house for these additional expenses. Budgeting might not be the most exciting part of buying a home, but it's certainly one of the most important. By setting a realistic budget, you're protecting yourself from financial stress and potential heartbreak down the line. Remember, a well-planned budget is the first step to a successful home buying experience. Now that we have our budget, let's understand our mortgage options. There are a few types to consider. Fixed-rate mortgages offer the security of a steady interest rate over the life of the loan, making budgeting less of a headache. Adjustable-rate mortgages, on the other hand, start with lower rates but can fluctuate over time, which could mean higher payments down the road. Then there are government-insured loans like FHA and VA mortgages that often require smaller down payments and are typically more forgiving of lower credit scores. However, they do come with their own set of requirements. Choosing the right mortgage depends on your financial situation and long-term goals. Consider factors like your income stability, how long you plan to stay in the home, and your comfort level with potential payment changes. A mortgage that suits your financial situation can make your homeownership journey less daunting. With budget and mortgage sorted, it's time to find that perfect neighborhood. This is more than just an address. It's about the lifestyle, convenience, and security it offers. Start by considering your commute. Identify areas that strike a balance between proximity to work and the tranquility of home. Next, think about education if you have or plan on having children. Research local schools, their reputations, and the distance from your potential home. Amenities are another key factor. Access to grocery stores, restaurants, parks, and healthcare facilities can greatly enhance your living experience. Lastly, don't forget about safety. Check local crime rates and speak to potential neighbors to get a feel for the community. Remember, every neighborhood will have its pros and cons. It's about finding the one that fits best with your lifestyle and priorities. After all, the perfect neighborhood can enhance your quality of life in your new home. You've found your potential home. What's next? A thorough property inspection. An integral step in your home buying journey. A thorough property inspection is like a health checkup for your home. It's a careful examination of the property's structure and systems from the roof to the foundation, plumbing, heating, and electrical systems. The goal to uncover any hidden issues or potential problems that might need addressing now or in the near future. Think of it as your safety net. It can save you from unexpected costs and unpleasant surprises down the line. Moreover, it gives you the upper hand in price negotiations. If the inspection reveals significant issues, you have the option to either request repairs or negotiate a lower price to accommodate the cost of fixing them. Remember, a house is not just a home, it's an investment. Protecting that investment begins with a thorough property inspection. A thorough property inspection is your shield against future property issues. Before we proceed further, let's discuss the importance of a good credit score. Now, you might ask, what exactly is a credit score? Well, simply put, it's a numerical representation of your credit worthiness, a snapshot lenders use to assess the risk they take when lending you money. Think of your credit score as your financial report card. It's based on your past behavior with credit, including payment history, debt levels, length of credit history, types of credit, and recent applications for credit. When it comes to buying a home, your credit score plays a crucial role. It could mean the difference between being approved or denied a mortgage, and not just that, it can also influence the interest rate on your mortgage. A higher score can lead to better mortgage terms. There are ways to improve your credit score, like paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and avoiding new debt. Remember, improving your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, but it's worth the effort. A good credit score can open doors to better mortgage options. We've reached the final stretch, the closing process. This is the moment when the ownership of the property is legally transferred from the seller to you, the buyer. The closing process is a multi-step procedure that requires attention to detail, patience, and a bit of legwork, but don't fret. We're here to guide you through it. The first part of the closing process involves a good deal of paperwork. A large portion of these documents are disclosures provided by the lender that outline the terms and conditions of your mortgage. It's crucial to read and understand these documents thoroughly. After all, you're not just buying a property, you're entering into a long-term financial commitment. Next, let's talk about closing costs. These can be a bit of a surprise if you're not prepared. Typically, they range from 2 to 5% of the purchase price. They include various fees such as appraisal fees, title insurance, and loan origination fees. It's a good idea to save up for these costs in advance or negotiate with the seller to pay a part of them. Now, what can you expect on closing day? Well, it can be a whirlwind. You'll meet with several people, including your real estate agent, the seller's agent, and possibly a representative from the title company. You'll review and sign a stack of legal documents that make the home officially yours. It can take a couple of hours, so be prepared. Lastly, once all the documents are signed and the closing costs are paid, the keys to your dream home are handed over to you. It's a moment of great joy and relief, a moment that marks the beginning of a new chapter in your life. Remember, while the closing process can seem complex, it's just a series of steps leading to your goal, home ownership. With diligence, patience, and a little bit of knowledge, you'll navigate through it with ease. Navigating the closing process successfully brings you one step closer to your dream home. Lastly, let's discuss the delicate balance between your wants and needs. When buying a home, it's easy to get carried away by a beautiful view or a gourmet kitchen, but remember, the essentials should always take precedence. Prioritize needs over wants. This might mean choosing a home with a shorter commute to work over one with a larger garden, or selecting a house in a good school district instead of one with an extra bedroom. You see, compromise is part and parcel of the home buying process. It's rare to find a property that ticks all the boxes on your wish list and fits snugly within your budget, but that's okay. The goal is to find a balance, a home that satisfies your fundamental needs and includes a fair share of your wants without breaking the bank. Balancing your wants and needs is the key to finding a home you love that's also within your budget. Now that we've covered the key steps, you're well on your way to becoming a confident first-time home buyer. We've journeyed through the process together, starting from setting a realistic budget, understanding the various mortgage options, and finding the perfect neighborhood that suits your lifestyle. We also delved into the crucial step of conducting thorough property inspections to ensure you're making a sound investment. We explored the importance of credit scores and how they play a pivotal role in securing your dream home. We navigated the closing process intricacies and underscored the balance between wants and practical needs. These essential tips and tools are your compass in this exciting journey. Use them wisely to make informed decisions, sidestep common pitfalls, and transition smoothly into home ownership. Remember, buying your first home is an exciting journey. With the right knowledge, you can make your dream home a reality. Good luck.